Channel, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. Now, I thought it was going to be kind of a dead week, and then as I got to the store, my store actually had signs up. Like, it was the first time where I actually got to take pictures of stuff with the signs up. It's very rare that ever happens, so I actually got there at a pretty decent time. But one thing is, I didn't go shopping during the Black Friday sale. It wasn't worth me really going just to get like 3 items, and the only thing I really wanted to do was the toothpaste deal that was printing off the $2.99 CRT from the red machine. Well, guess what? I printed from the red machine today, and that CRT printed out. So if you guys did not go at all this weekend, this past like couple days, make sure you guys definitely check it out, because my $2.99 CRT printed out, so it ended up becoming a moneymaker for my Colgate deal. And you're gonna see Paris's butt. I hope not. So yes, so I'm gonna share with you guys what I got. Okay, lay down. She can't hear me. She just wants to be with her mother. Okay, so let me grab bag number 1 to share with you guys with that. So I wanted to get the bigger Wet n Wild makeup because I had a CRT, but my store didn't have them, so I didn't get able to do that deal. But they ended up getting some more of the regular makeup, so I ended up getting the highlighting powder. This one's like a purple and a silver, which I'm actually excited to try. Paris, nobody wants to see your butt, okay? Lay down. Okay, so I was pretty excited to try this because I've been wearing highlighter. I finally got rid of one highlighter. I finally used it all up. But this was $4.99. The cashier's like, wow, that's really blinding. And I'm like, yeah, I know, but I love holographic stuff. So you guys would pay $4.99 for this, but then you get a $4 extra care buck back, making it just 99 cents, which is a pretty good deal. This brush is usually like $1, and these highlighters, I haven't bought Wet n Wild makeup for a while, so I don't know exactly the price on that, but I was pretty excited to try that out. I ended up getting the Palmolive dish soap. This was $1.99. It was buy one, get one 50% off. You would pay $2.98 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $2 extra care buck back, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. And I haven't bought soap in a while. I have not bought soap in a while, so I was excited to get some of that soap because it's been a while. I still have a lot left, but it's been a while. Paris, you're gonna knock stuff down. So I ended up getting the mascara. I was gonna get the L'Oreal, but then I had that $2 off CRT that printed from the red machine today, so I ended up using that instead. So I got the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. These were $9.99. I ended up using a $4 off CRT that we got from the red machine today. It was a mystery coupon. I had a $2 off Maybelline Mascara CRT, and then I had an 8 off of 20 CRT that printed from the red machines. Now, there might be coupons for it. My area does not get those coupons, so I was not able to use coupons for this, but this still came out to be a moneymaker deal. So you guys would pay $5.98 for the both of these, but then you'll get a $5 extra care buck back, making these just 98 cents. But with Fetch Rewards right now, you guys can submit your receipt and get 2,000 points. I have not submitted my receipt yet, but it does end soon, so make sure you guys do that. So 2,000 points is equivalent to $2. So this for me comes out to be a $1.02 moneymaker, which is awesome. And I have yet to use this mascara, so I'm excited to try that out. I've been really hooked on the L'Oreal. A lot of you guys got me hooked on the L'Oreal. So, yes. Okay, so the next deal I have is the L'Oreal deal. Now, I had a CRT last week for $6 off Age Perfect, and I wanted to use it, and then I'm like, no, I don't want to. And then today I had one in the red machine also. And so I'm like, okay, I got 2 Age Perfects. I'm just going to check the website. As I was in the store, they didn't have the signs up yet, but I checked in the store and there was a buy or spend 30, get 10 for these. So I was pretty excited. So I added 2 Age Perfect $6 CRTs, and then I had a $5 off of 15 L'Oreal facial care. So this was $26.49 and this was $4.99. I actually use this. I actually use both of these. These are one things I do not give away. But I have been actually using this stuff. They changed the packaging. It used to be like a clear blue, but now that's this one. But I love this stuff. This is the stuff that I use in the shower every single day. So I used those with those coupons. I paid $14.48 for the both of these, but then you get a $10 extra care buck when you spend $30. So this came out to be $4.48 or $2.24 a piece. I will take it for $5. I'm like, we're always having our head, you gotta get it for free, we gotta get it for free, we gotta get it for free, which I totally agree with you. But when you can go from $26 all the way down to like $5 or even $2 something, I think that's a score. I think that is a score, and this is stuff that I actually really love using. This is products that I love using, so, you know, that's what I gotta get in my head. Yes, it's free, it's awesome to get stuff for free, but you guys gotta think about this. It's also better when we can get stuff that we know, that we actually use on a regular basis, when we can get it deeply discounted. So I know a lot of you guys have agreed with me when I've said that. Like, we love freebies, but you know what? When you can get stuff, you know, 50% off, we should be happy. When we can get stuff 75% off, we should be happy. So, yes, I ended up doing the Crest deal. No, I thought I had an extra a CRT, and then this morning it disappeared, so it might have expired yesterday. So this, Paris, seriously. These were $3.99. I used 2 paper off, $2 off coupons, and then I had a $2 off digital coupon. I also was going to use that CRT. It would have been an awesome deal, but I did not have it anymore. So I paid $5.97 for this, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making it just 97 cents or 33 cents a piece. So usually people say we shouldn't pay for toothpaste, but you know, there's some deals that people need to do, and then there's other deals that are free, so it kind of makes up for it. If you guys think about it, like, there is some money makers that I got, so this kind of made up for it. So yes, hold on, I have a box that I throw everything in. I ended up getting the Scope mouthwash. I was gonna get 2 of these, but like, again, my CRT did not show up. So this was $4.79. I used a $1 off coupon that we got from our P&G from last week. You would pay $3.79 for this. She's laying right on my paper. $3.79 for this, but then you guys will get a $3 extra care buck, making them just 79 cents. For this big bottle, I think 79 cents is a great deal. Don't you think? Yeah? Okay, you're gonna just knock everything over, aren't you, little princess? Yep, and there we go. There we go. Your tail is a pain. Okay. So I was gonna get something else. I don't need a hairdryer. I don't need a curling iron. I don't need Paris. I don't need any of that stuff, but then, you know, Graham cuts his own hair. He cuts Ben's hair, and I thought, you know, this is kind of a good thing. You can always use another hair cutter just in case, because he's had his for a while. So these are on sale for $15. I was thinking of getting a light, but I'm like, I don't need a magnifying light. And there was like a facial trimmer, but I'm like, I don't really need that because I don't have any facial hair. So got this for $15. You guys would pay $15 for this, but then you get a $10 extra care buck, making this just $5, which I think is a pretty good deal. This is a 20-piece hair cutting set for $5. I think that's a great deal, and I love it how it has its own case. So that is for my family, right, Miss Paris? Okay, I'm just gonna put this in my lap because Miss Paris is right in my way. So I ended up getting the Colgate toothpaste. Now the Colgate toothpaste was $3.49. I had $1 off digital coupon, and then I used a 50-cent off printable, or a 50-cent off coupon from our inserts last week. And then I had the $2.99 CRT that did print off that I did not print off during the Black Friday sale. So I ended up paying $2.49. But then you guys will get a $4 extra care buck when you buy 2 of them, where it comes out to be a $1.51 moneymaker. So if you guys think about it, I paid $1 for that toothpaste, but this came to be a freebie. So technically, I didn't pay for any of the toothpaste, if you guys think about that. So if you guys need some freebies for toothpaste, definitely go ahead and do that. So last week I had a CRT for Hallmark for us get 4 cards. Did I? I thought I got 4 cards. Okay, never mind. I'm not thinking straight. So I had a CRT for $4 off of 3 from last week, and I had a 4 off of 3 CRT from this week, and it had to be for cards that were $2.99. So I originally grabbed the Christmas cards, but I don't send those Christmas cards out. I actually send photo cards. I like doing the photo cards. So then I kind of looked over in the blank section, and they had some for $2.99, and I thought these were actually really, really pretty. So I got one with like these rides and with some glitter on it. So this was $2.99. I got a blank one with some unicorns drinking some lemonade. And these are blank, so I thought these are perfect because I can always use blank cards. And then I got this one with some like ice cream stacked up on top of each other. So I got those 3. I used both of those CRTs because it just says 3. It doesn't have a money price on it. So I ended up paying just 97 cents for these 3 cards, but then I got a $3 extra care buck back. So these came out to be a $2.03 moneymaker. So I got those absolutely free. Plus I made some money. So just giving you guys a heads up, I got so many cards, it's crazy. I actually bought a box when I was at Michael's when they had their 90% off stuff, and I got like a box to put all of my cards in there so I can have everything all organized. So I ended up having a freebie drink in my account. I saw it last night. It wasn't there the other day, but it was there last night, and it said you get to pick a drink for free up to $3. I didn't need anything. My husband loves this Red Bull. This was $3.29, so I just paid the 29-cent difference for it, which I was totally fine with because it's something that he will drink. So that is what I used with my CRT. I had 2 CRTs for $3 off the Pepto Bismol from last week, and I was gonna do that deal and I forgot to look at the price. And so I'm like, okay, I totally forgot about it. But then today I'm like, okay, I gotta see what the price is. So I originally was just gonna get one of them, but then I checked, there were some tags that said buy one get one 50% off, and there's not. And then I checked the website, and some said they were and sometimes they're not. So I went and scanned this, and this did show that these were buy one get one 50% off. So these were $5.19 at buy one get one 50% off. I used 2 50-cent off coupons that we got from our P&G last week, and then I have 2 $3 off Pepto-Bismol CRTs. So I just paid 78 cents for the both of these, which I think is a pretty good deal. That comes out to be 39 cents a piece. Like 39 cents for these little bottles. I think that's a great deal. So got that. And then this was a deal that I was like, okay, should I do it or should I not? Should I do it or should I not? And then I'm like, okay, we're gonna do it. So I did 2 separate transactions because I wasn't sure if this deal was gonna work. So this is the Neutrogena hydrating foundation stick. I've gotten so many of these, it's crazy. So these are $17.79 a piece. I had 2 buy one get one free. So I ended up, a lot of you guys told me that we could use 2 of them from last week, so I ended up using both of them this week just because I wanted to see what deal it was. I did have a $3 or $4 off digital coupon. That did not work with these. And then I had another CRT and that did not work, which I was totally fine. But both $17.79 came off on this transaction. So these were absolutely for free. So if you guys need some foundation sticks, definitely go ahead and do it. And I got hair on my face, Miss Paris. Yes, Miss Paris. Okay. So that was my haul, you guys. It ended up turning okay. I was excited to get a lot of the deals that I did. So my total came to $14.72 is what I had to pay out of pocket. Now, if you guys have Fetch Rewards, or not Fetch, I recommend getting the Flues app. If you guys have not used the Flues app, basically what you guys will do is when you join, like you use my referral link, you'll get 3 vouchers. You're going to connect that app to your credit card, and basically it's cash back. So what you're going to do is you're going to say you're at CVS. If you have a voucher, you're going to buy, I usually buy like a $10 gift card because then I get 35% cash back, which is $3.50 that I can use towards another purchase. So technically that $10 gift card ended up becoming, what, $7.50 or $6.50 or something is what that total does. So I thought that was kind of cool, but definitely use that app. And I'm thinking I might be doing a gift card for those who have not joined. I'm gonna probably, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do, but there's a bonus that I want to really receive, so I think I'm gonna do some gift card breaks for you guys in case you guys have not joined. If you do join and you watch this video, please let me know what your username is, because I might put you into the contest, because I will be definitely doing a contest soon. But it's got to be for people who have not used the app, but they have to tell me their username, because I do get a notification on who joined, but it's hard for me to respond to those people because I don't know their username from the app towards what their name is on YouTube. So anyways, definitely do that. So I used $43 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $46 back. I will be getting 2,000 points, which is $2 back with Fetch Rewards. So my grand total came to $9.72. I got 22 items at just 44 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. But if I added everything else up, I should probably be getting $9 back with beauty. I am not sure if the hair cutting thing is considered beauty. If it is, please let me know. But I think I'll be getting $9 back with beauty because of the Neutrogena and the L'Oreal and then the Maybelline. And then if that wall thing covers, or is it wall? Conair thing covers as beauty, I will definitely hopefully get it. So give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys get for awesome stuff. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.